Josh says, hey, I just joined a mastermind. Should we do neighborhoods on the LLG sites, even in an industry where people are searching by big cities and state? No, maybe not. Maybe not neighborhoods. You could do, I just had a conversation with a new mastermind member. It wasn't Josh, but it was somebody else, Jay. Anyways, about doing something similar, but where if you would target, like if it's a company, like the industry that you're in, it doesn't get so granular, which is I think what you're saying in your question. Then you could target like the hierarchy of location pages on the site. I would start with like top level states and then metro areas, metropolitan areas within that state. So you would have a top level page of state, then a child page of metro areas. Because remember, a metro area is typically going to cover multiple counties. And then each county has its own set of cities, towns, census designated places, incorporated communities, unincorporated communities, etc. So if you're doing larger projects, then it makes sense to build the components at larger scale. In other words, start with state pages, metropolitan areas, and then you can target individual cities within the metropolitan area as posts. Remember, if we're talking about WordPress, in the taxonomy structure, we would have top level parent pages and child pages, which would be categories and subcategories. And then you could publish posts into the subcategory. So if you're talking about a top level state with the subcategory and child page being a metropolitan area, and then from within that metropolitan area, there is a number of counties typically, and each county is going to have a number of cities, towns, etc. So then you would just extract the individual cities or towns that you want that would be important to that client, and then you would have posts published so the URL structure would be domain.com/state/region, metro region /individual city, which would be at the post level at that point, right? Hopefully that's clear. And yes, you can do that. Guys, just keep in mind, the more focused a site, the better it performs in search as it relates to local. So the more focused you get the topics or service categories, and the more focused you get the geography, the area that you're targeting, the better it's going to perform, and the quicker it will perform. So if you're targeting large components, large geographic areas like that, it depends on the competition levels, but typically those don't perform quite as well, and it's going to take more effort in order for them to rank well, just to be clear.